Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today just a lot of things going on. It is 1:04. Today I am getting married. We're doing it at the warehouse. I forgot to get him a ring, so I went out to James Avery and I bought him this little ring, and I think it's really cute. It's just a very simple band. You know, we're young and hopefully it fits. And it looks like this. This is my engagement ring slash wedding ring. But yeah, it looks like, of course, looks like this. Yeah, so I'm just like gonna get ready real quick. Gonna put these glasses on because I cannot see to save my life. All right, so I really haven't been on camera in a while. You can't see it, but I'm pregnant. And I got a little two-piecer because that's the only thing that's really fitting me right now. And I got it from H&M. It's actually a really cute skirt, and this is gonna fit me after baby comes. Yeah, happy about that. But I need to steam this real quick, hop in the shower, pop some nails on. Call it a day, you know? Change of wave. We're gonna be blonde today. I know. Blonde, can you believe it? But I really like it, and it's gonna look good.
And it's not just like the big wigs or the executives. I'm talking about these landowners, you know.
Not being able to feel it.
Yeah.